What's up everyone? Landon with LMR.com. In this video I'll be checking out the 18-inch SVE Series 2 wheels designed for the 1994 to 2004 Mustangs. The SVE Series 2 wheel features an aggressive, split, 5-spoke design that incorporates a classic staggered look that is sure to complement the exterior of your SN95 or New Edge Mustang. The Series 2 wheel is currently available in 3 killer finishes, which include a tried and true gloss black, a gunmetal, and of course, my personal favorite, a satin bronze. Each of these wheels also incorporate simulated chrome rivets, which give the Series 2 that high-end look without the expensive price tag. Continuing with SVE's industry-leading attention to detail, you get a brushed center cap which incorporates the SVE logo and flows nicely with the rest of the wheel. Now, unlike other offerings found on the market that feature generic measurements, SVE engineered this wheel to have the correct offsets and backspacing dimensions to fit correctly within the wheel wells of your SN95 or New Edge Mustang. The Series 2 wheel is currently available in an 18x9 and 18x10 inch offering. The 18x9 wheel incorporates a 5.95 inch backspacing, positive 24 millimeters of offset, and they're going to tip the scale at approximately 24 pounds. Now the 18x10 inch wheel features a backspacing of 6.29 inches, a positive 20 millimeter offset, and they're gonna weigh in at approximately 27 pounds. As far as fitment goes with all of the models and trims, the Series 2 wheel is going to fit all 1994 to 2004 Mustangs with Cobra brakes or the M2300X Cobra R brake kit from Ford Performance. SVE's wheels do carry a limited lifetime structural warranty and a 2-year finish warranty, so this is going to give you a great peace of mind when considering an SVE wheel. The Series 2 wheel is available individually, in a wheel-only kit, or in one of our wheel and tire packages that arrive at your door mounted, balanced, and ready to bolt on to the car. To see more how-to and review videos covering industry-leading products, be sure and subscribe to our YouTube channel, like this video, and don't forget to turn on notifications. While you're at it, be sure and check out our other videos, and don't forget to shop LMR.com for all things 1979 and present Mustang, and of course, SVT Light.